Hey, what's up guys? The OnePlus 5 unveiled in June last year with a dual camera. The OnePlus 5T in November moved to an 18:9 screen. So what will the OnePlus 6 be like? If these photos are to be believed, it will be a part of iPhone X and a part of Galaxy S10 Plus. The front shows a notch in the screen big enough to hold the earpiece and selfie camera. Note the Android version is 8.1 Oreo and the Oxygen OS version 5.1. The back is a different story. A vertically oriented dual camera with rectangular fingerprint reader below it. When OnePlus moved the fingerprint reader to the back, it switched from a rectangular home key to a round sense. The 6GB of RAM and 64GB of storage are pretty standard, have been since the OnePlus 3, so no surprise there. As noted, it has been well less than a year since the OnePlus 5 was unveiled. Officially, the OnePlus 6 will be unveiled in June, so we should not put too much stock in early rumors. For all we know, this might be a prototype that never makes it to production. Assuming it's a legitimate device in the first place, the original source on Vivo has taken down the images. Make of that as you will.